Family Weekend is one of my favorite times each year at Mudd. It's just wonderful to have parents and grandparents and sisters and brothers and aunts and uncles.
Such an impressive school, an impressive campus. We were meeting her schoolmates, we were meeting her teammates, and it's just a terrific family environment, and not to mention the really challenging academic rigor here. It's perfect, it's amazing. So yeah, I'm just really stoked to be here for Family Weekend.
I think what I noticed right away when we first came here for a parent orientation the first time was that you could just tell from his body language, he found his people and immediately began to have a lot of fun with them.
She's just happy. She's found a place where she's engaged and interested in school and found great friends and really found her place, I think.
And I think she really likes the subject matter. The professors have been wonderful. She's told us what she's learning in class, which she never used to do. And so that shows us that she's really engaged and happy.
I think he enjoys working with his peers on group projects and the collaborative environment. Sometimes has to stay up late working, but it's always with other people. And so you're not just on your own.
I was just asking you, how important are the other schools?
Like, I'm taking 2 out of 5 classes this semester at other colleges. That's part of the experience, is like being part of a bigger community.
You can take a lot of different directions here. He wants to get into aeronautical engineering, but influences like teachers and programs and things that you do here might take you a totally different direction.
He's happy and I'm happy, and I like this school very much.
I think she's just enjoying the entire experience. I mean, I don't think there's anything that she's not enjoying, which it's great as a parent. I think it's just the best thing, you know, when you can talk to your child over the phone. We live 2,400 miles away. So for us to talk to her on the phone and I'd say, you know, how things are going, and she goes, everything's going great. I love everything. I love my classes. I love the people I'm with. You know, I'm having good experiences. I'm having a great time. I'm learning a lot. No negatives. So far, so good, you know.
She's been able to secure a really wonderful summer job that she's gone back to the same company year after year, continuing to develop her software engineering skills. And I don't know that that opportunity would have been afforded at such a young age without the respect that Harvey Mudd commands in the marketplace.
They get a larger, broader education. They're exposed to many more areas than they would be. And also here you have an opportunity to participate in research at an earlier time in your career.
I think the whole Mudd community, everybody who we've interacted with, that he's interacted, has really been there for us as a family and him as a student, and cannot be happy enough with everything that he's been experiencing.
I like the breadth that they do have to write a lot. They have to take classes outside of STEM, and even inside of STEM they get a broader base than a lot of people studying computer science or engineering, which, as somebody that hires engineers, I think is incredibly valuable.
Because together we reap this valuable bounty. Cheers to class of 2019.